All right, I've got a really quick video today. So if you use Dewalt 20-volt tools, you know the batteries are expensive, so it's kind of a problem when they fail. And sometimes they just won't take a charge, they just flatline. And so what do? Do you replace the battery? Well, actually no. You don't need to. As long as you've got a second battery, it's actually quite easy to get that battery back into service. So I'm going to show you how easy it is. Let's get busy. So you've got one of these Dewalt 20-volt batteries, and when you put it on the charger, nothing. Off, on, nothing. It doesn't recognize it at all. So how do you remedy that? Well, you take a good battery that has a charge on it, like this, and you're going to just, let me get the tripod. I can do this the proper way with two hands. It's very quick. So all you're going to do is you're going to take a jumper cord. I made this one specifically for this because this is not an uncommon problem. And you're going to take this lead and this lead, and you're going to jump it. Make sure you jump it to the right ones. Okay? So black there, and we're going to just tap it to this battery for like a second. Okay, so that should put just enough of a charge into this battery for the charger to now recognize it when it's dropped in, and it does. And that's it. So in an hour or two, that battery will be fully charged. All right, it's now fully charged. That's it. That's all you have to do. So that's it. That's a pretty good tip of the day. I mean, if you've got these Dewalt 20 volts, it's expensive when these batteries fail, but they can be jumped pretty easy. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me, it helps the channel grow. And you know, if one of your batteries goes, you can do it. Just make yourself a little jumper cable and you're done. Take care.